now we're here in Chi and we came to see how the construction progress is going, and actually it's going so good. Let me show you. Right now we're here in block number 37, and over there is block number 38, which is almost ready, and right there blocks number 36 and 35 are they're also almost finished, and down there you can see number 32, 33 and 34. So now we're here on the Rooftop Terrace. The weather is beautiful, and these are the Seafront Apartments, and this is the view that they're getting, and we have the lovely beach right there. So right now we're here in front of the garden apartment, and this is how huge the private garden of this apartment gonna be like till here. And starting from the last block over there, we're gonna have a huge communal pool surrounded by the beautiful deck where you can be sunbathing, laying, and it's February now, but it's still so good for it. Just imagine it. So right now we're here in 1+1s, and this is the middle penthouse apartment, and they have made few changes over here. So before, this apartment only had this terrace over here and nothing on the rooftop, but now what they did is they're adding stairs right here going up to its own 25 square meters rooftop terrace. How cool is that?